my lovely people, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how I prepare these red velvet muffins. It is yummy, rich and delicious. And I'm going to demonstrate to you how I prepare even the frosting. So stay tuned. If you're new here, consider to press that red subscription button and press on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. In here I have 4 eggs, 250 grams of cake flour, 200 ml of buttermilk, 15 grams of baking powder, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 75 grams of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 200 ml of sunflower oil, food color, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. I'm going to start by adding the 4 eggs into the mixing bowl. Then the sugar and the vanilla extract. Then whisk them all together until they are light and fluffy. Now I'm going to add the sunflower oil. I continue whisking them all together until well combined. Now in this very bowl I have the cake flour. To it I will add salt, the baking powder and cocoa powder. I'm going to mix them well. I'm going to sift half of the dry ingredients into the egg mixture. With the help of my rubber spatula, I'm going to mix them well. I'm going to sift in the rest of the dry ingredients into the batter, followed by the buttermilk, bit by bit. Keep mixing them together. Then add the rest of the buttermilk and mix all the ingredients until they are well incorporated. At this moment, I'm going to add in the red food color into the batter and mix them well. I will add more red food color to it until I get my desired red color. It depends on individual. If you want, you can add less or more. Then mix them well until the color is evenly distributed. Once I'm done with the mixture, here I have my 12 counts muffin tin lined up with parchment papers. With the help of my ice cream scoop spoon, I'm going to portion the batter like so. I will fast forward this step, then I'll be right back. Once I'm done with the portioning, I'm going to transfer it to the preheated oven and bake for 25 minutes at 160 degrees centigrade. 25 minutes later, here are the muffins. They are well baked, as you can see. I'm going to let them cool for about 5 minutes, then take them out and place them at the cooling rack. While they are cooling, I'm going to prepare our cream cheese frosting. Please check out the description box for the list of these ingredients. I begin by beating the butter, then sifting the icing sugar. I continue by whisking all together until they are fluffy and light. Don't forget to scrape down the bowl while doing so. Continue the whisking. I will fast forward this step, then I will be right back. Guys, take a look at this buttercream. Wow, it is looking good. But remember, we are using cream cheese frosting, so I'm going to add in the cream cheese. I like cream cheese because it is not too sugary. I like cream cheese frosting. It is not too sugary. I like the texture, even the flavor. It is rich in protein. This is good. This is 300 grams of cream cheese. I'm going to add the vanilla extract and mix them all together. The combination of the butter and the cream cheese gives me what I want in frosting. Here I have my piping bag with my scissors to cut. I have 2 piping nozzles. I called my children to help me select which one to use, and they choose this one. I put the nozzle into the piping bag. With the help of my scissors, I'm going to cut the tip like so. Now I will place it into my measuring cup. Yeah, I'm using my measuring cup. You can use any jug or cup. Anyone can serve. With the help of my rubber spatula, I'm going to scoop the cream cheese frosting into the piping bag. Once I'm through with it, I'm going to frost. I'm going to begin with a simple piping style like so. I'm going to repeat the same process on all the muffins. You can't believe it, my son is by the side waiting to take one. He can't even wait for me to finish the piping. Just to tell you how children friendly this cupcake is. Once I'm done with the piping, I'm going to add a little bit of sprinkles and we're good to go. Guys, these red velvet muffins are looking so inviting. I can tell you, I tested it. It is rich, it is delicious, and this is the best for Valentine. If you like this video, please don't hesitate to give me a thumbs up. Like my video, share it with your friends, subscribe if you've not done so. Till next time, stay healthy and remain safe. Bye for now.